Sole, o ai nā ku pēnei whangu vai lai lunga o le laulau.
Kailo.
O ai o lo uku pēo ana se I vai I le wholoa.
Kailo.
A se ae le ai ku uese le lapisi.
Kailo.
Au eke koe whai mai ka ilo ya ki au sole. O ai nā ku pēnei whangu vai lai lunga o le laulau.
Ote le ilo. Ote le ilo. Ote le ilo. Ote le ilo. Ote le ilo.
So the word of the day is I don't know. In Samoan, there's at least two ways you can say it. The first is one word. It's a contraction of a phrase containing the word iloa, or to know. It's said ka'ilo. Add ka'ilo to your vocabulary. If someone asks you something you don't know, just say ka'ilo. Another way to say it is the phrase ote le iloa. Ote le iloa. Ote is a descriptive present tense pronoun of I. Le, with that long mark over it, it makes whatever comes after it negative. And iloa is the word for know. So le iloa is the word for don't know or negative no. Put it all together and you got
Ote le ilo.
ote le iloa.